everyone, I'm Esther from Essie Cooks, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite ever salads. This is one of my favorite ways to eat cabbage, eat coleslaw. It's a Thai peanut inspired coleslaw. So this comes together in less than 10 minutes. I have a few hacks to make it even faster and easier, and it is so peanut buttery and creamy and delicious and full of flavor. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make this. All right, so the first thing we're going to need is a big salad bowl here. And the next thing that just makes this so easy is getting this prepared coleslaw mix. Now I know if you want to chop it yourself, grate it yourself, that's totally fine. It comes with carrot, green cabbage, and red cabbage. So if you have the time, go ahead, but this just makes it so much faster and easier. So we're going to want 6 cups of coleslaw mix. I'm going to add that right into the bowl. The next thing I'm going to add in is a cup of cooked edamame. So if they don't come cooked, usually it takes about 3 minutes to just boil them in water on the stove. So I'm going to add that right in. And then if you have the time, I like to add 1 thinly sliced red pepper, just like this. And next I have about 2 to 3 green onions. This is going to add a lot of flavor into this salad. I am just going to cut it directly in using my scissors. Just nice, again, fast and easy. And now I have about half a cup of cilantro, a little handful of cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, you can use mint instead. You can use Thai basil, whatever you like. I like to add a little bit of the stems in as well because I don't mind the flavor. I love the flavor of cilantro. But if you want, you can remove them. So again, I'm just going to use my scissors to cut up the cilantro right into the salad. And I'm going to quickly whisk up my dressing so you can put it in a mason jar or just a cup or a bowl to mix it all together. So we are going to start with 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice. If you don't have fresh, that's fine as well. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. I'm going to add 2 to 6 tablespoons of sriracha, depending on how spicy you like it. I probably add about 4 to 5 tablespoons. I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of agave or maple syrup. I'm going to add in either 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce or tamari. I have tamari here, which is gluten-free. All right, now for the star of the show, in my opinion, it is some all-natural peanut butter. It's going to make it so creamy and delicious. I'm going to use a full 1/3 cup of natural peanut butter. If you want to use a little less, you can use a 1/4 cup. So it can be smooth, it can be creamy, it doesn't really matter. It's going to taste delicious in here. So 1/3 cup of natural peanut butter. And I'm just going to quickly whisk together my dressing. You can add a little bit of water, 1 tablespoon at a time, if it is too thick, to thin it out, and then just whisk that in. Now for our topping, I want about 2 to 3 tablespoons of crushed peanuts, so I'm just going to either chop them up or you can buy them already crushed. And there is the beautiful salad. Look at those colors. It's going to get even better when we add this dressing onto it. So I'm going to add the whole entire dressing on top of this Thai peanut inspired Asian coleslaw. So good. Look at that creamy thick dressing. I like my dressing to be pretty thick like this. I feel like it hangs on so good to the cabbage leaves and the edamame and everything in there. So I am just going to toss this to combine it. It does take a minute or two. Just keep tossing it until it is nicely coated. Just like this, we want to get a little bit of that peanut dressing in every single bite. Now I'm going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of those chopped salted peanuts on top and some sesame seeds if you like. Now, if you're bringing this to a potluck or a barbecue, just adding a few little lime wheels gives it a little something something. It just makes it look really nice. All right, make sure you keep watching because my husband and I are about to do the taste test.
All right.
Oh, we've had this before, so
yeah,
we
this
know.
looks good though. All right, cheers. That's so good.
That's my favorite salad. I love it.
Delicious. That sauce, the peanut flavor.
So good. You've got to try this.
This is also so perfect for meal prep, so if you want, you can add just some extra cooked edamame for extra protein in here, and this makes the perfect meal prep. It makes 4 salads total. Just you can add some extra cooked tofu or you can add some cooked edamame, and that is your meals for the week. It's so delicious and such a great healthy meal prep. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved this video. Make sure you hit like and subscribe for more.